Alright, so this is a master lock number 3. Looks like it is 1, 2, 3, 4 pins. Tough under fire. It can take a bullet. Let's see if we can get into this with a rake. Pins are catching. Might be pushing them past the shear line though. At times I just release it and start over. Now they're catching now. I feel like I'm close. There she goes. Alright. Alright, let's try that. Let's try that again. But this time let's pick it instead of raking it. Alright, so I'm just gonna use this. Zoom in a little bit here. There we go. Okay, let's start over. Reach back there. All right. There we go. I think number 4 just cut. No, that was 3. That's 4. 1 and 2 are not. Let's start over here. I can hear my son upstairs. He's playing his game. There we go. Ah, there we go. All right. All right, that's master lock for you. All right, thanks for watching.